Hi, I'm Dan from Fully Charged, and today we're looking at the UTO Afternoon Pro and Morning Pro 16. Now, we've already reviewed the EOVolt Afternoon Pro in some detail, and we'll link to that into the description. And the difference between the EOVolt Afternoon Pro and the UTO Afternoon Pro, absolutely nothing. Same great bike, same great price, different name. So why the change of name? With a vision beyond electric bikes and incorporating non-electric bikes into their range for the first time, the name EOVolt is no longer fit for purpose. Now, UTO is derived from the word utopia, which is an imagined place where everything is perfect. So let's have a look at the bikes and introduce the incredible new Morning 16 Pro. Now, the Morning Pro 16 really is just a scaled down version of the Afternoon Pro 20 with 16-inch wheels instead of 20-inch wheels. Both bikes benefit from the incredible Gates carbon belt drive and 2-speed hub gear, which is also automatic. The larger 20-inch wheels of the Afternoon Pro 20 will benefit more of the slightly more adventurous rider, maybe going on gravel paths, towpaths, forest rides. Whereas the 16-inch wheel is more compact for the people that where space is a real consideration. With the smaller bike comes a smaller battery with a range of approximately 50 kilometers as opposed to the Afternoon Pro's 70 kilometers. One of the real advantages of the 16 is its lightness and weight, with a 2.1 kilogram saving as opposed to the 20-inch version at 18.5 kilos. As you might imagine, another benefit of the 16 with the smaller bike is its smaller size, especially when folded, when it's 8 centimeters shorter at its longest dimension. Despite the brand suggesting that taller riders might go for the Afternoon Pro 20, at 6'1", about 185 centimeters, I'm incredibly comfortable on the smaller 16 model. So the Morning Pro 16 really doesn't feel like other 16-inch bikes that I've ridden, probably due to its longer wheelbase. It's not twitchy, yet at the same time it's got that sort of agile, excitable feel to it. So the verdict, awesome. The Afternoon Pro 20 and the Morning Pro 16 really are amazing bits of kit. The belt drive combined with the 2-speed automatic gearbox make it so simple to ride and incredibly clean and low maintenance. I've got to say, I really like them. With the 20-inch model at $2,999 and the 16-inch model at $2,799, they really are also incredible value. Available in a range of different colors. Come try them for yourself. If from either one of our stores in London Bridge, Brighton, Silverstone, Cornwall, Guildford and the New Forest.